Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we're going to learn how to send user provided data to our Google Ads account. So first we have to ensure that customer data in data layer is enabled in our WordPress site. So I'm going to the admin panel of my WordPress website, and from here I'm clicking on plugins, install plugins. So as you can see here, this is a GTM for WP plugin. We're going to use this plugin to capture the customer provided data in our data layer. So click on settings. From here you have to click on integration and then eCommerce. Here this is customer data in data layer. You have to check this. If it's unchecked in your site, you have to check this and click on save changes. After saving that, now your customer data will be shown in data layer. So now let me check it out. How is all data structured in our data layer? To do that, I have to preview. So this is basically our website in GTM debug mode. Okay, so what are we gonna do now? We're going to make a purchase in our site, and we will see how we can track all customers data. So I am making a purchase. So now I'm placing an order here. So as you can see, our order has been placed. Now let's go to the tag assistant. Here as you can see, this is the purchase event. You have to click on here and then data layer. Now you can be able to see everything we need is here, like customers billing first name, customers billing last name, customers company, customers address, customers billing city. Every information we need is here. So we have to track these. So how we can do that? To track all these data, we have to go to our Google Tag Manager account, and from here we have to click on new tag configuration, Google Ads. Now here you will be able to see Google Ads user provided data. So you have to click on here, and here you have to give your Google Ads account's conversion ID. So where do you get that from? You have to come to your Google Ads account, and you have to click on data manager under tools, and from here you have to click on manage under this Google tag section, and now click on here. Now you can see the destination ID. You have to copy the destination ID without AW and hyphen. I'm copying this and pasting it here. Now you have to click on here, click on new variable. So from here you will be able to see every information Google Ads account needs, like customer email, customer phone number, customer first name, last name, street, city, region, country, postal code, everything. So we have to create a variable for each of these information. So now let me show you how you can create. So click on here, new variable, here, data layer variable. Now go to tag assistant, and from here, look, this is customer billing email. You have to copy this. This is the variable for email. Okay, we're creating. So now paste it here and give it a name. For my case, I'm just give the same name and save it. So the other informations is similar. You have to just copy informations from here and paste there. So let me show you. So the phone number, click on here, new variable, data layer variable. Okay, now go to tag assistant. This is you can see the customer billing phone. So you have to copy this customer billing phone, copy it and paste it here. Now give it a name. Now save it. So you have to do this for every of these options. Now click on here, new variable, data layer variable. This is customer billing first name. I'm copying this, paste it here, give it a name, save it. So our variable configuration is done here. We have selected every information like email, phone number, first name, last name, and postal code as well. We did everything. The process was similar like the first one. So now you have to give it a name. Now save it. Now we have to trigger this. So where we are going to trigger, basically to track the customer provided data, we usually select purchase event as a trigger. So click on here. So this is the trigger I already have created to track the purchase event. So you have to select this and now give it a name. Now save it. Now submit this. So that's how you can track user provided data to Google Ads account. So thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for today.